Hi friends, welcome to Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today we're going to read a story about bugs. Bugs. We're going to read a story about bugs. Elmo said hello. Elmo, do you want to read a story about bugs? Elmo says yes. We're going to read a story about bugs. And we're going to use little pretend bugs, little puppet bugs. Are you ready? All right, let's go.
Bugs. Bugs? Where? Up here. One fat red bug. Bugs, bugs, where? Under here. Two long, skinny yellow bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Where? Over there. Three fat green bugs with two big eyes. Bugs, 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 bugs. Where? In here. 4 bugs with 400 feet. Bugs, 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 bugs. Where? Out there. 5 little bugs that fly here and there. Bugs, bugs, lots of bugs. Where? Where? Everywhere.
Did you like the story about the bugs? Did you like it? Elmo says yes, he loves the story about the bugs. What was your favorite part, Elmo? Oh, his favorite part was the little finger puppets that we used. Do you like those? He did. Well, we'll have to use those again. Thank you for being such a good friend, Elmo. You want to say bye? Okay, we'll put the story down. Elmo says goodbye. See you next time. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so we could have more videos next time. Thanks for being here, my friends. I'll see you next time.